If you're searching for the best web hosting for your small business, you've come to the right place. After testing multiple web hosting providers, I've created this video to share my top 3 recommendations with you. First of all, Hostinger stood out for its speed and excellent customer support. Bluehost won for its easy WordPress setup process, making it perfect for beginners. On the other hand, DreamHost had a well-organized interface, making it easy to navigate, and also their support team was knowledgeable. If you're interested, the offer I'm referring to allows you to get the shared unlimited plan for a complete year for $0. Yes, $0 including your .com domain name. I made this offer possible because from my commission, I refund the $35.40 you paid to DreamHost. To benefit from this offer, use my link bensexperience.com/DreamHost to go to DreamHost, link below. Get a year of shared unlimited and then contact me at ben@bensexperience.com to claim your $35.40 refund. For more insights on which web hosting option is best for you, keep watching the video. Directly after completing my purchase, Bluehost redirected me to a page where they started asking me questions to build my WordPress site and customize it based on my answers. Personally, I don't prefer setting up my site this way because most of the time these systems don't address the little details. However, I must admit that Bluehost did a pretty good job. For someone who just wants to launch their site in an acceptable way and as soon as possible, it is very useful. The second way to install WordPress on Bluehost was also easy because Bluehost comes with cPanel. The only drawback I found was locating the cPanel button. After that, the process was straightforward. Click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous, click Install, enter your information, click Install again and wait a moment. The next minute you will have your own fresh WordPress site that you can customize as you want. After my WordPress site was set up by Bluehost, I realized there was no SSL certificate. The second time I installed WordPress using Softaculous in cPanel, the SSL certificate was there and working fine. I'm not sure if Softaculous triggered it because I chose HTTPS or if it happened automatically. Either way, it's good that Bluehost took care of it, unlike other providers where you have to install it yourself. For speed, I installed this plumbing template first, along with some content in order to mimic a website. Even on my slow internet connection, opening the pages of my website was quick enough. The same was true for the control panel of my WordPress site. When I tested website speed using tools like Gmetrics, Pingdom, and Page Speed Insights, I got different results. Having used Bluehost many times before this video, I can say that Bluehost is slightly slower than Hostinger, but definitely faster to load than DreamHost. Transferring my WordPress site from DreamHost to Bluehost was a straightforward process for me. The process began by navigating to the Websites section, clicking on Add Site, selecting Transfer an existing site, and then clicking on Continue. I provided my WordPress link and logged into it to install the Bluehost migration plugin. And once I initiated the process and the plugin created a copy of my site, I was provided with a key that I then pasted into my Bluehost account. After a short wait, all my files were successfully copied over for me. The final step involved pointing my domain name to Bluehost by updating my name servers to the ones provided by Bluehost. Daily backups are free for the first year if you opt for the Choice Plus plan or above. To manage your backups, go to Websites, Settings, and click on Backups. CodeGuard is the tool responsible for creating and managing your backups. As you can see, my first automated backup was created for me around 33 minutes ago. To restore your backup, click on the little dots next to your desired copy. After that, you will receive an email confirming the start of the restoration process. Downloading your backup to your computer can be done by selecting Prepare a zip. The email containing the download link will be sent to your inbox. If your plan does not include CodeGuard or if it has expired, you can still create, download, or restore backups from cPanel using the software called Backup Wizard. However, be mindful that Bluehost's terms of service clearly states that backups are not guaranteed in any way and encourages you to run periodic backups. Additionally, Bluehost is unable to create automatic backups for sites above 30 GB in size. Having a 24/7 live chat support system is very helpful, but the help I got wasn't good enough. Last time I chatted with a support person, it took longer than they said it would. They told me it would take 3 minutes, but it actually took 9. The support person gave me enough information for my technical questions, but they struggled to address my specific concern regarding the deduction from my refund due to registering a free domain. Even when I tried to explain my issue clearly, the support person kept saying I'd get a full refund, ignoring that domain names aren't refundable. They didn't really try to understand my side of things. I've had 3 bad experiences in a row with Blue's support. Compared to Hostinger, Blue's support is slower and not as good. Installing WordPress in Hostinger is simple. All you have to do is go to Auto Installer under Website, click on Select under WordPress, fill in your website credentials, click Next, then Install. There you have it, your fresh WordPress is ready to customize depending on your needs. In my experience and that of many others who have used Hostinger, fast loading is a noticeable and consistent feature. Despite being in the sector of affordable hosting, Hostinger maintains quick loading times. As demonstrated, my website on Hostinger loads quickly. To keep a copy of your work, Hostinger automatically creates weekly backups that you can download or restore from. When it comes to managing backups, Hostinger makes the process simpler compared to some competitors. If your website on Hostinger experiences a sudden surge in visitors, you don't have to upgrade your hosting plan. Hostinger provides a convenient solution. You can instantly increase your premium web hosting plan resources for 24 hours for free with just a click of a button. Hostinger allows you to create up to 100 email accounts, providing you with the means to look professional and be easily reachable by others. The process is straightforward, and once you finish setting up your email account, you can link your inbox to Gmail for convenient communication. Customer support is top-notch with Hostinger. The live chat support is available 24/7 and is quick to connect, providing great assistance. The quality of support I've received has been consistently excellent. There have been instances where they exceeded my expectations, such as restoring a database I had agreed to fully remove with the closure of my account. However, for tasks requiring heavy lifting, such as uploading a database that exceeds the size limit, they suggested that I pay one of their team members, which costs sometimes $20 and sometimes $40. One positive aspect is that DreamHost provides a beginner-friendly interface. Although it doesn't include cPanel, the interface is well organized, making it easy for beginners to build and manage their websites, domains, and email accounts. DreamHost made installing WordPress straightforward. All you have to do is click on Install WordPress under WordPress, select your domain name, hit install and wait a minute. After that, you will receive an email confirming your installation and letting you set your WordPress password. To gain the trust of your website visitors and avoid browser blockage, you will need to install an SSL certificate. Doing so is also easy with DreamHost. Click on Manage, scroll down to Security, and click on Add next to SSL certificate. The first certificate, which is free, is enough to get the job done. Instead of weekly backups, DreamHost makes daily ones that you can access. One minor flaw I didn't like about DreamHost backup system is that it makes them a bit harder to access. But rest assured, your backups exist within your website files. DreamHost also simplified the process of creating a professional email address. It's straightforward. Just click on Manage Email, select your domain, fill in your information, and voila, you have your inbox ready to go. If you already have an existing WordPress website on another host and you want to move it to DreamHost, you have not to worry. DreamHost lets you move it without touching any database file, searching for FTP access, or experiencing downtime. I already explained that in a detailed video. Just look up for DreamHost Migration Ben's Experience. While DreamHost has many positive aspects, there are some not so good aspects to consider. One of them is the average speed. I conducted a split test comparison with Hostinger to demonstrate the difference. In the comparison, DreamHost didn't load as quickly as Hostinger. If you still want to go with DreamHost, just remember to optimize your WordPress by installing only the necessary plugins, also using a lightweight theme, and optimizing the size of your photos. In 2024, DreamHost made a good change by making their live chat support available all day and night, instead of just for 16 hours a day. Improvement like this makes me trust the company more. Every time I use the live chat, I talk to Juan. While the support team may be limited in number, the waiting times were always acceptable and the quality of support I received was top-notch and fast. Shout out to Juan from DreamHost. If you are concerned about your investment in DreamHost, rest assured they offer a super generous money-back guarantee that extends to more than 3 months. This gives you ample time to decide if it fits your needs. However, keep in mind that if you want a full refund, delay redeeming your free domain name to avoid it being deducted from your refund. Remember, you can support me do more web hosting testing for you at no extra cost. Just use my links below.